Hey everyone, this is Aaron from Studio 3B. Today I want to review the Bose SoundSport headphones. I received this one in the mail a little while ago and have been using it for the past few months. But to be honest, I have had this for technically over a year because my first pair was black and I had that for several months before I lost it by washing in the washing machine. I was able to replace that under warranty with Bose by sending back that pair. Got a new pair, and I unfortunately left that one out overnight in the rain, and that pair died. So I sent that back, and now I have the yellow and silver Bose SoundSport headphones. So that's the model I'll be reviewing today, and it's really just a color difference, that's about it. So this has already been opened, just to let you know, but I put it back the way it was, and this is pretty much the way you get it in the mail. Here's the package, and the back is a bunch of multi-language details. Great, let's not read that. All right, slide off the cover. It's got a nice sleek Bose case. Nothing back there. Open it up to a woman running and multi-language instructions. Great, let's not read that. And then it comes with the headphones right there. Easy to grab, so you just, take it out of this little holder here. Yeah, so easy. This comes off. It's in there a little tighter from originally, but I had taken them out at first, so that's what you get. So these are the earbuds, and they're connected by a wire. Okay, some people like that, some people don't. But you get the volume knob and the microphone right there, and the clips to the back of your shirt. It also comes with a carrying case. Honestly, I don't ever use it, but it's there if you have it and if you need it. Who doesn't have one of these? But it's another Android charger, micro USB. And it comes, this is nice though. If you have different size ears, it comes with different adaptable sizes for all different shapes and size ears. Basically, these are the black plastic covers. They go over, you take this one off and you put these one on. These are smaller. The original ones are kind of big. And just it comes with a little bit of a manual. Probably in multiple languages. Let's not read that. All right, that's it for the packaging. Really, all you need to get off to the races are your headphones, the charging cable, but it does come with a charge. I noticed that. It comes about 50% charged or more. So just charge it up if you want to before you use it for the first time, or just go ahead and use it and then charge it later. You also need your phone or some other Bluetooth compatible device to play, music with, and just pair it up. So, all you have to do to pair it. Well, first of all, let me show you the headphones a little more closely. There's a little flap down here, which is kind of fragile, but that's where the charger port is. Okay, you have to kind of finagle it in there every time you want to charge it. So just be delicate. You don't want to lose this cover and have water get in there. As I found out in the past, water does not play well with these headphones. And you got to move this out of the way, get it in the right direction. There, it's in there. There's this button up here that's like the turn on power / Bluetooth turn on pairing button. So to pair it or to turn it on, you hold down the button for a second. See, now it's green. And then see, the Bluetooth light came on. That means it's probably already paired with my phone. And you hold down this button even more. Let's see, you hold it down and then it flashes, and that means it's ready to pair. So it's not too complicated. Let's get into a little review of these headphones. Today I'm going to review these Bose SoundSport headphones. I've been using them for about a year now, and I'm going to give you my opinion about them. While I'm at meetings at work, quite often I'm on Teams and WebEx, and what I use are these Bose SoundSport headphones. They're Bluetooth. They have, pretty lightweight to them. Volume knob and a microphone over here. There's a clip on the back that clips to your shirt. They have 2 earbuds attached by a wire, and the earbuds have adjustable attachment pieces. Depending on what size your ear you have, you could use different sizes. They're very good for meetings, for Bluetooth. You use your phone, and also for listening to music. They are good for running and exercise. They're lightweight, they don't get in your way, and they don't connect to the phone in any way besides the Bluetooth. The sound quality is very good. The price is about $80 to $90. They're not waterproof, but they are water resistant. So if you sweat on them a little bit or they get a little bit of rain on them, that's okay. But leaving them out all night in the rain will not be a good thing. So the warranty is pretty good. I was able to exchange those first two pairs, but I would not recommend washing your headphones in the washing machine. They come in different colors. My first two pairs were black. This is gray and yellow. Doesn't really matter to me. They're a good set of exercise headphones, and they're good for meetings. So that's my opinion. I give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, click the subscribe. And if you like this video in particular, click the like button.